Want to change Instagram email? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your Instagram email. For this, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then select Account Center. Now scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Here you will find the Contact Info option. Now you will find the list of your emails over here. Tap on that. Now first you want to delete this email address, so go ahead and tap on the delete option, then tap on delete for confirmation. Once the email has been deleted, you want to tap on add new contact, then select add email address. Now go ahead and enter your new email address over here, then tap on next. Now as you can see, the new email address has been added to this account. Now tap on the close option. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.